Are those my wart guards?
What?
Yeah, my used wart guards. This is why you shouldn't use my stuff without asking.
Ew!
And stop gluing on the table without a silicone mat. Hi everyone, DamselsinDIY here.
Today we're going to teach you 5 hot glue gun hacks that will make your crafting cheaper, easier, and cleaner.
These will save you time and energy, so let's get started. Number 1. Use a silicone baking mat as your hot glue workspace.
Silicone is probably the best hot glue gun hack there is out there. It's not just stick resistant, it's like stick impossible. This makes for the perfect surface for hot glue gun projects. And with silicone mats costing as little as $5, there's no reason not to add them to your arsenal right now.
That is definitely my baking mat.
Nuh-uh, yours is in the whose and what was it?
I can still see the bead stain from my accident 2 years ago.
I need this?
Buy your own.
Fine, I'll buy my own with all of the amazing money that I have because I'm so wealthy I can just go to the store and buy my own baking mat.
Number 2, to avoid getting stray strands of glue all over your project, use the spin-off technique to cut your glue strands off.
Who hasn't had a hot glue gun project where afterwards you have to cut off all those little strands and it takes you more time than it actually did saving it by using the glue gun? There's an easy way to solve this. Right after placing your drop of glue, make this motion with your hot glue gun until the dangle strand melts off into the glue you dropped. It will prevent the gun from drawing more glue and will make your cleanup way easier. Are you casting a spell?
Sort of.
Can you conjure me some new shoes?
If you stop stealing my stuff.
Okay.
Number 3, make your own colorful hot glue sticks using leftover crayons, makeup, hot glue sticks, and sparkles.
No need to buy hot glue sticks in already made shades. We have our very own tutorial on how you can make it much cheaper in the description below. You can even do any color you want. Any color. Oh, pretty. That doesn't smell like a love potion.
What if it makes me feel in love?
You're weird.
Number 4, use silicone fingertips to protect your fingers from burns.
You can either buy silicone fingertips used for curing warts or whatever, or if you want, and if you have bigger fingers, you can also get silicone gloves, cut off the tips, and have your very own silicone fingertips.
Where are my baking mat and silicone gloves?
I don't know.
I'm watching you. Number 5, how to clean your hot glue gun if extra glue is stuck on it.
This is an awesome new one for us. Do you need to clean up the glue all around your hot glue gun because it's getting a little messy? Turn on the hot glue gun to heat it up a little bit, take a piece of tin foil and wad it up into a ball like this. Use a ball of aluminum foil to scrub off the excess glue. To get the excess glue off the rest of the glue gun, turn on the glue gun to heat up the glue on the gun. Scrub off what you can with an aluminum foil ball, then place a piece of aluminum foil over what's left over on the glue gun. Take a hairdryer, heat that up, and when you peel it off, it should stick more to the aluminum than to your glue gun. If you're British though, you can replace this with a piece of aluminium instead of aluminum. Both are stupid ways of saying it because it's a stupid word. It should just be like tinfoil, which it is. Wait, where's my lucky glue gun? It's my lucky glue gun. You better not have gotten rid of it.
I cleaned it for you.
Really? I love my glue gun.
I wonder why it gets messy.
That's what makes it lucky.
And what exactly am I supposed to do with this?
You could join a silicone biker gang? Come on, that's funny.
We hope you enjoyed these hacks. These have made our crafting projects a lot easier, and we hope they make yours easy as well.
Let us know in the comments, what are some of your favorite hot glue gun hacks? If you let us know, you can enter to win some of our beads for our bead bag giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!